Welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, hopefully you don't mind this format, because if you really like this format, I'll record as many videos as possible for you because it's convenient, okay? And in this one, I'm going to show you how you create a school community, the process, like what you do to create a school community. And then I'm going to show you that after you start a trial, you're going to get access to what's called the Schoolers. The Schoolers community is the one owned by Sam Ovens, the CEO of School. And then I'll show you a little bit of inside of a community that's already created. I'll use mine as an example. If you are, right now you can't see me, but I'm Sherifa Nakalema. I'm in Virginia, USA. I'm passionate about sharing this school community because it's your ticket to freedom, my friend, passive income. Working from anywhere you choose, anytime you choose, possible, using just a passion or a skill, whatever, like I'm about to show you. Okay, so right now, I'll continue. I have to show you that there's a link in the pinned comment of this video and also in the description of this video. I'm going to focus only on the link that takes you to starting a community. I have other links, but focus only on that one. So when you click it, it's going to bring you right here. And to say, Sherifa Nakalema invited you. So if you choose to promote school yourself, that's how people know, or that's how the system will know who recommended you. So make sure the people are seeing your name. So Sherifa Nakalema invited you. My link would show that, right? Now, there are two kinds of communities. You created the hobby community or the other one, which was the full community for a business, okay? But I'm going to recommend that when you come here, you tap here. Okay, you wondering what this is. This calligraphy community is just an example of these ladies who created this community and made to 6,237 a month. That's just an example of what a community could do. But doesn't necessarily mean you're going to make that. It's up to you what you do. So I'm going to show you. So you tap on here, create a community, right? So when you type create a community, it's going to ask you, there are two kinds. Most recently, they added this one. Before, we always paid this $99. We always start free for 14 days, but after 14 days, you'd pay $99. But now they introduced this hobby one, which makes it easier to start. And I recommend, except if you're coming from a Facebook group, you have some people, maybe a WhatsApp group, and you know what you're doing, you've dealt with people before, you had a community, then you can go straight to this one, the 99 per month one. But for beginners, try this one, the $9 per month community. And there's some features you don't have, but you may not miss them yet. You can upgrade later. So they are both free for 14 days. So you tap right here, try for free. And all you have to do here is put a name. So you think of a name. If you think this is you're not sure what you want and all that, connect with me first. Connect with me first. I'll guide you through this. We'll find a good name for you. So let's assume this was my hobby community. I'm joking with the name, right? My hobby community. Let's assume that's what I'm calling mine, or yours. You're calling it my hobby community, but it's going to be a name you choose, right? Because my card is already on file, you see my card is over here. But for you, you have to maybe sometimes even register if you're not on school at all, or you're going to just add your credit card number, credit or debit card number, and then you start the free trial. They'll warn you, they'll say, after 14 days, they'll charge $9, which is great. Especially if you connect with me, I'll show you how that becomes easy. Now, just by starting this free trial, you get access to something special, which is some Ovens Skoolers community. Let me show you. The Schoolers community is like this, looks like this. It looks like this. Right now, 55,000, almost, people are increasing every day. Now, those are people, but actually they're businesses. 55,000, you can see them from here. When you go to the members, they are here, 55,981. Do you know before they introduced the $9 community, there were only 50,000. Now almost 6,000 communities have been created in just 2 weeks. Yeah, so people are loving the $9. So here, all these are the people, the 55,000 are here. These are administrators here, and online you can see who is online. but that's not the intention here. I want to show you like what you see inside. So these 55,000 are actually shown on a map like this. So when you come to this map, you can see where everyone is. Most people are in Europe here and USA, but you can see everywhere. Every dot you see here is a community, it's a business. But when you tap like this, you can see actually where they are and the person. Like for example, here, see, that's a person. And you can chat with them if you want. You connect with them and chat. And this location, you may say, oh, privacy. They put them 10 miles away from where you are actually. So when you chat with this person and they want to connect with you, it's up to them to share if they want you to know where they are exactly. But this just giving you like, okay, if you go to a country, you can say, okay, there are some people in my country like that. And I want to go back here a little bit to show you this map in USA. Because if you're in USA, look, all these are communities, meaning they're businesses. See, you can see where people are. That's cool. The other thing you're going to get access to before you even pay a penny is the games. There's a competition going on here. People are competing. Who is making the most money in their community? But it's a little bit misleading because they're not showing all the money. They're only showing the subscriptions as people pay every month, and they also limit it to 100. So if you are charging more than $100, they can't count all that. Some people are charging $1,000 a month. So they say it's unfair because those people were winning the games all the time. They say no. The maximum is 100 that we take. So they're showing it right here, like every week and every month they are showing only the new money, So let me show you. So we have hobbies, people in the hobby category. This is what they've done in the last 7 days, but only the subscription. Like if you are charging $10 a month or whatever, yeah, that's all they show. The other money is not recorded right here. They're competing for just the new members you just brought to your community. So if you come on here, just with a trial, you can tap on any of these and go see what they do. Okay. Now that was hobbies. They have the music category. They have the money. This is where most money is made. See, like this person in the last 7 days, they made 24,000. Those are real businesses. They even have employees. So spirituality, technology. This one made 10,000 last 7 days. Health, see, sports, self-improvement, and the last one, I think, relationships. These relations, people are having losses. That means people are canceling. When someone asks for a refund, that's when you see a negative. But maybe because it's also sometimes people, when they're like advertise too much, like in the ending of the games, people tend to join too much and then cancel. Yeah, because they are rushed. They are rushed to sign up. So hobbies, we just finished the season. So hobbies, I finished all that. I showed you all that, okay? So up here, they show the best 20 only. The best 20. So let's see the money people, the best 20. But if you had a community, it's hidden there somewhere if you're making some money. But this shows only the best 20. So when you start your trial, you have access to all this. And then you have an idea how to deal with yours. March, you see me wearing my t-shirts. They come from over here. You can buy. And let me show you something. I think, so after, I'm not spending too much time on this one because I want to show you what your community would look like. So after you create a trial, now you have access to all that. You could even start promoting to other people to bring them to school because you have these numbers, access. Now, your community. Your community is going to look like this. I'll give you an example using mine. This is my free community. And see, mine is free. There's no money here. But I have a paid one where I'm charging. Right now, I put a special 29, but actually I charge 47 per month. So let me explain here what these tabs mean. So every community, once you create it, it's going to come with all these. They'll be there. But they won't be anything. They're just tabs. So you come to About page and you can put an image, you could put a video, it's up to you. But text is important. What do people get when they come to your community? Because this is the outside. That's what they see. And then they decide if they want to be in your community. Okay. Now, when they join, there's a welcome video that created by school that explain all these tabs and what they do. But you could explain to them in your own video. You can replace it, but they have an automated one that they created that invites people and tell them to go get the school app, all that stuff, and like some posts. So on the community tab, that's where the most action is happening. So people post, like on you see on Facebook, people post, they like, they do things. See, like here, when someone just joins, for me, I ask them to come and introduce themselves. So they come right here and they introduce themselves on this post. Like me, this person, I'm Roxy, living in USA, whatever. And people come and like your posts and add the comments like that. So that's where most action happens as far as school is concerned. But something else is happening. So if you all members and you all care about crocheting your food or whatever, you just do posts. You just post. And they introduce something. Let me show you how you create a post. Like here, you start and post. You can add a video. You can add a GIF. These you can add. It's so cool. Yeah, that would be the community tab, right? And now there is the classroom tab. This one is for people who have something special to share. Like if you are a coach, or have a skill to share. So this is where I put my things, like I want to share something special. Like some of you, when I say I teach YouTube or TikTok, I put it right here. These are paid courses. Some of them are free. Like this one, the gratitude one, you can watch for free. Yeah. So this is where you put the stuff you want to share extra, the people. Now, there's the calendar. The calendar is where we put the links to go to. You could go even YouTube Live or TikTok Live, but most common here is going Zoom. Zoom Live, or just schools, maybe by the time you watch this one, even they're introducing live on school itself. But right now we go live with these. Like when I'm teaching TikTok, people click right here and they join me on Zoom. See, that's a calendar. You have a calendar, but you put there what you want. These are the members, and each community will have its own map. You know that map I showed you? That one was for school community owners. Now, my members, I can see them from here on the map too. So I can click right here and see where they are. These are the ones in my free community. I can tap like this and see where this person is. Where are you? See? I can see where they are by just tapping like that. And if I want to chat, I send them, I already sent that one a message. Yeah. So that's the community. Let's see, there are leaderboards here. People get points as I'm number 6, level 6. They have levels depending on how active you are. So much is happening inside here, but I think I'll stop right there. I don't want to make it too long. The only thing I'll need for you is, if you want this kind of explanation that I'm doing, because this one is a very easy video for me to record rather than the other formats, put in the comments, please. Yes, I'm good with this because I'm recording this using Zoom. It's very, very easy for me to do. Say it's okay as long as you're explaining, you're following I'm showing you how things work without too much editing. Then I'll produce as many videos as possible, but only if you leave a comment for me. Say, yes, this format is okay. We are learning, we are liking it. Yes, show some love to this video. So without me showing up, I just show you how things work, because I can show you inside how to set this up, how to set that one up. When I invite you people, many of you, to my Zoom, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm showing people. So now I decided to just record it.